Hello, my name is the Fishing Chronicles, and today I'll be showing you my top 5 favorite bass fishing lures all year round. I'm going to put them in a few categories. The first category is going to be top water, where you're going to be fishing top water. The second category is the middle column, and the third category is at the bottom of the water columns. So let's start with top water. What I like using or topwater regular frogs, topwater popping frogs, and poppers. What I like about the regular frogs is it has a smooth action. It has two skirts for the back legs. Essentially, these are pretending that these are legs, but mainly the bass can try and go for the whole thing. And they have some pretty decent sharp hooks. And why I say this is a regular frog and this is a popping frog is, as you can see, it has an open mouth here, but does not has an open mouth here. They both do the exact same thing. This one just splashes more. And this one does the exact same thing, but the difference is this stands vertical up, and this one stands just straight. And they can kind of go like that. I do not know how exactly they go because I barely fish. But anyways, these three lures are my top favorite early spring or early fall fishing or late spring fishing. I've caught a few on my topwater popper and my black frog. Not much on my popping frog. Second category or swim baits. This is, I think, a shad 6-7 inch swim bait. It has a pretty ginormous treble hook, like for this type of swim bait. I think they usually do like half the size of the treble hook, but for this size, it's good. I like it. It has good weight to it, like about quarter, half ounce. And all the weight is right here. And you're going to put your line here so then you can sink like this. And whenever you pick it up, it can just move around. This is the second category. You can fish this pretty shallow, middle column. You can fish this at the bottom. You can finesse it. You can do pretty much anything with it. That's why I like swim baits. The third category, or Junebugs, I think this is called a Junebug, and crawdads. You can fish them on the bottom. This one you can fish middle column or bottom. You can fish a Texas rig. You can use this as a trailer for your Jig Heads or whatever. Essentially, you can use this as a trailer as well, but I put a number 2 or number 3 bass fishing hook with a quarter ounce or half ounce bullet weight, and I sometimes drag on the bottom like this or just pop it up and down like that. Same thing with this one. I either drag in the middle column and these flat around on the back, or I just bounce on the bottom or just drag it on the bottom. These two seem to catch pretty decent sized bass. And the final category, or jig heads, you can fish on the bottom, and like I said, you can basically use any trailer for any jig head. I have a 6 to 7 inch paddle tail swim bait on here, and I use this kind of like a swim bait. I don't use the chatterbait that much. I have chatterbaits and all of that, but I don't use it that much because I want to get the smaller ones, not the big ones that I have. I'll get them soon, but they can basically be the exact same. Just this one has the vibrating plate on it, and this one doesn't. So these are my top 5 lures for bass fishing. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments what other lures y'all want me to talk about, and what lures you want me to go into detail for, what starter rigs, starter rods, whatever y'all need. comment down below and I'll try and make a video about it. Thanks for watching. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'm signing out. My name is The Fishing Chronicles, and enjoy your day and enjoy your fish.